everybody, it's Jennifer, and I'm here with a unboxing video for Material World. If you haven't seen any of my Material World unboxings yet, basically it's a high-end consignment store, and you sign up and they send you a box based on your preferences, your budget, what you like, and it's all secondhand. Like new apparel, accessories, shoes. So I am literally opening it right now on camera for you. And I'm getting texts. So if I keep looking up at the screen, that's what it is. I'm gonna ignore them. All right. So if you haven't seen this video, I'll link to others below. It comes with the bags for your returns. And if you want to consign anything, you can also consign it with this bag. So you go through your closet and see things that you don't wear anymore. And send them in, and it comes with the return address label and a list of the brands that they take. They don't take everything, so this shows you what they take. You can go online and see what brands they take as well, and just order one of these kits. If you don't want to do the box, they'll still just take your merchandise. And the sun is really bright in here. Like looks super like white, don't I? Okay. So it also comes with an invoice that shows me what's in the box. I'm not going to look at that, and then how much everything costs. So, ooh, this looks fun. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I can tell at the bottom because it says BOT, and can you see that's like sequin bottom? I'm super curious what this is. Oh, it's All Saints. I love All Saints. Oh gosh, what is this? Oh god, it's a mini skirt. That is fun for sure. It's so heavy. It's an A-line mini skirt. I'll have to try it on and let you guys know what I think. I will do that next. What size is this? It looks little. This is 2. The waist looks teeny. Okay. That's crazy thing. That weighs a lot. All right. That's always fun. This is also a bottom, and I think this is jeans. And it's black jeans, and unfortunately I just bought a bunch of black jeans from Rag & Bone. So they'll have to be pretty spectacular. They are R13 skinny black jeans with distressing. I don't have anything quite like that, but all right, we'll try them on. They were nice and soft. They're cute for sure. I've never tried that brand. Okay, next we have a top. How's everybody's day going? Mine is slow, and I'm a little bored. I'm working from home today, and I hate working from home. Like, I just need the socialization. So, okay, this is Haute Hippie. It's a t-shirt with crystals. It's cute, very cute. I bet it's super comfy too. So again, try it on and see. It'll be super cute with those black jeans. And I forgot to look at prices, so I'll do that at the end. This is an accessory. So let's see what the accessory is. Ugh. All right, interesting. It's in a bag. Oh, it's a belt, I think. All right, it's a belt. Oh, cute. Look at that. It's lips. That's very cute. I love that. I wonder how much it is. Sonia Reichel. That's super fun. Because you know that, like, well, you may not know, but belts like Gucci and ones with big logos are very in right now. So this would be kind of a fun spin on that trend. And last but not least, oh goodness, this is Jimmy Choo. Let's see what it is. Obviously shoes. I don't have any Jimmy Choos in my wardrobe, so let's see. And I don't think they're heels, they're flats. In the bag, of course. Oh my god, they're adorable. So they're super cute. They're really cute. I have a pair similar to this from Tory Burch already, unfortunately, but those are very sparkly. They're doing a good job. Like, they're definitely catching my whimsical side for sure. They're darling. I'll try them on for the try on video. So that's gonna be next. So really quick, go through the prices, and then I'll show you everything on. first, the Jimmy Choos are $182. The belt is $66. The jeans are $80. The Haute Hippie tank top, the knit tank top with the stones, is $58. And the sequin skirt is $98. They give you a 20% discount if you buy everything. So if you buy everything in that box, it'll be $387.20. Obviously, everything is well priced, below 50, like at least 50% or more below the original retail. It doesn't show the original retail on here, so I'm not sure off the top of my head how much these things cost, but I know obviously that they're very fairly priced. So I'm gonna go run down to my room and try these on, and I will show you how they look. Be back in a second. As I'm down here, I have tried on the first piece. I'm going to flip this around so you can see better. This Haute Hippie t-shirt, really soft knit with crystal embellishments. A shirt like this is good because you don't have to wear a necklace. And I love Haute Hippie. It's a great brand, so it's good quality knits. The other pieces are these skinny jeans, which I like them a lot, but I just literally bought like 3 pair of gray and black jeans. So I don't need them, and they are kind of low-waisted. So also it's harder to find shirts right now that are long enough for low-waisted things, since the whole high-waisted thing's in. This belt is awesome. I have nothing like this. I've never even seen this belt. I love it. I'm totally keeping this belt for sure. And I know, again, this belt is not for everybody, but what a fun statement piece in an outfit. All right, I'm gonna try on the skirt and the shoes next, so I'll be right back. Oh, and I wanted to, one other thing, all these pieces fit really well, so they did good with the sizing on this box. Showing you this skirt is so small, I can't even get it zipped up. Like, look at how much, and look at how short it is. There's like no way. Super cute. If it were like 2 sizes bigger, I would definitely consider keeping this, because this is totally something I would wear. But holy smokes, does All Saints bottoms run small? There's no way this would fit me. As you can see, I would need to add a lot of fabric. All right, I'll be back with the shoes. I have the Jimmy Choo ballet flats on, and they are darling. They're really sweet. They're a teeny bit snug, but I think they would stretch out. The problem is I have a navy pair just like this already from Tory Burch. How many blue glitter ballet flats does a girl need? The thing with the part of you guys ordering this box versus me is you're not gonna have like everything that I have. I have a lot of clothes. I've seen everything, whatever. But an average consumer is going to find really fun, new, surprising things in every box, just like I do. But you're not going to already have half of it like I do. So I highly recommend checking it out. It's a super fun box. I love getting it. It's my only subscription I do. And it's a treat every month when it comes. I love seeing like all the surprises. So I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.